Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Jane Earl, and I'm right back with another beautiful tutorial for you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make this gorgeous baby nest. Oh my gosh, this is something I've been planning to do even before I gave birth to baby Jaden. But time waits for no one, and we finally finished it 3 months after he was born. Yes, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please be kind enough to hit that big red subscribe button below this video and join the family, guys. Do not forget to hit on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, guys. OMG, this baby nest is a must-have. If you're a new mom and you need a baby nest, kindly hit me up, send me a direct message on Instagram or leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll definitely make one for you at an affordable price. By the way, as you can see, baby Jaden at 3 months is already bigger than this baby nest. All right, let's get to the video. So guys, you're going to be starting with 2 squares, the outer fabric and the inner fabric. This is going to be a reversible baby nest, and the length is 44 inches in length and 33 inches in width. And you're going to fold the 2 fabrics in place and cut out 7.5 inches by 7.5 inches, just like you see me do. And make sure you're cutting by the opening part, not the folded part. Please do not be like me, who is drawing on the right side of my fabric. Try to make your drawings on the wrong side of the fabric, so it doesn't leave a stain on the fabric in case it's a permanent marker you're using. After that, you cut it off, just like you see me do. For where the baby would stay, you might decide to curve it out or just cut it straight. I decided to go the easy route, which is cutting it straight. And this is the pattern you should have when you're done cutting. Next, all you have to do is curve out the sharp edges. And I'm gonna be cutting this freehandly off with a free hand because I don't know mathematics that big, so I don't feel they stress my head anyhow. Plus, I did this pattern when I was still pregnant, so I didn't even have the strength for any mathematics. So I'm just, free-handedly cutting the edges. So when you're done cutting, this is the pattern you should have for both fabrics. And now we have the shape of our baby nest. So the middle part is where the baby is going to sleep. Like, you're just going to sew a straight line all around there. And then that's where the big foam is going to be. And the other part is where the fibers would be. So you're going to take like a round object to equally carve out the edges of the tail of the fabric, just like you see me do. Next, you take your fabric of choice. Either you take the main fabric or the inner fabric, whichever you want to cut, and cut out 3 inches width by 90 inches in length 2 times, like times 2. So when you cut out 2 90 inches in length, you join it together to give you a very long strip. You would use this in making the ruffles that would go around the baby nest. Next, you cut out another 1.5 inches of fabric, 2 pieces of each, join it together and make a tiny string in order to draw the gathers together. I'm very sorry I omitted that part. When you're done making the ruffles, you place it on the right side of the fabric. Take the inner fabric and equally place all of them right sides together and sew it all round, leaving an opening that you would fill in the fiber, and equally an opening where the baby would sleep. So we're going to make like 3 sewings. The joining of the ruffles together. After joining the ruffles together, you turn it to the right side and sew a 1 inch opening all round, just close to where you sewed in the ruffle. So you'd have that sewn. You now sew a demarcation where the baby would sleep and where the fibers will go in. So in that demarcation, I equally put in a Velcro closing. So you could take off the foam when the baby dirties that side of the baby nest. So you can equally pull off that foam and wash that place. So I'm making use of this fiber. It's like I bought this one like a full sheet, whereby you can separate it just like I'm separating, and pieces it yourself, and it will give you like a whole lot of fibers. I use this in making the braided baby crib bumper, and it equally remained plenty for me to do this project, and it has still remained again. I'll still make like another one project before I think it will run out. This was not so expensive. So following the opening I made when sewing, I'll be passing the fiber that will go by the side of the baby nest. I'll be passing it there. But I realized that with this other big foam in the middle, my hand could not actually go round the baby nest like I'd love it to. So I decided to take off the 2-inch foam first, and after taking it off, I realized I was able to put all the fibers inside the side of the baby nest. And oh my gosh, my mini helper was not left out. Like, she was just crying, Mommy, I want to help make baby's bed. So she was here, helping around. If you've watched up to here and you're still not subscribed, please, kindly help a sister by clicking on that big red subscribe button below this video and join the family. Be sure to hit on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So after filling in the fiber, all I'm going to do is close the opening, either by sewing it, hand stitching it, or I use my gum. And next, all I have to do is put the 2-inch foam where the baby boy or baby girl will sleep. Oh my gosh, this turned out super, super beautiful. So you can make use of any foam you have, either 1 inch, 1.5, depends. But I had a 2-inch foam, or probably 1.5-inch foam. And I prefer this Velcro because it's easy to close and easy to open. But you could equally close this part using a zipper if you think that's best. After this, so this is me testing my baby boy. Oh my Jesus. At 3 months, the boy is already longer than this thing. So now you pull the rope and draw to gather the ruffles up and tie it. You can draw it to your preference and tie it in place. I think I'm going to cut off my rope because it's actually very long, or I'll just leave it like that. So when you draw it, there you have your nest. But trust me, I love going a little bit extra. So I made one big bow, just to beautify the bottom of the baby nest. And oh my gee, this was just like the final touch to everything. This turned out super beautiful. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about the color combination? Did I do good? Do you like it like I do? Because I absolutely love it. Please ignore my horrible face. This turned out super duper beautiful. And it's equally reversible, guys. If you don't want to make this the inner, you can actually make the yellow part the inner. And baby boy fit into it perfectly. So now when he's sleeping, I don't have to bother if he's going to fall off because he's already covered. What do you guys think? Oh my gee, do you like it this way? Or do you like it with the yellow inside? But I think I love it the other way. But anyway, it's fine. You could use any way you want to. This is equally beautiful. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I love you all. See you all in my next video. Bye-bye. And oh my gosh, enjoy the slide. Don't forget, if you want this baby nest and you can't make it, hit me up. I'm always available to make one for you at a price though. Thank you. See you all in my next video. Bye-bye. Bye.